how to remove account from Google on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually remove your account from Google on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove account from Google, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and launch the Google app here. So let me also go ahead and launch the Google app. If you don't have the Google application, you can also simply choose to remove them from anywhere else. So once you open the Google app, you're going to see like this. Just tap your profile image from the top right hand side of the screen, and now you can see that I'm not signed in. So let's say that I'm signed in over here, right? On my Google application, I'm basically signed in. What you need to do from here on, you can simply remove your account by tapping the manage option. So tap the profile icon from the top right, tap the option called manage right over here, manage accounts on this device. Once I tap on manage accounts on this device, I can tap on the option called remove from this device. Once I select the option called remove from this device, I'll be successfully logged out of my Google account from the Google app and from my device itself. Or else what I can also do is just tap on this option here, tap this on option called use this app without an account. So when I select use this app without an account, my Google account will not be synced in over here, and Google account will be logged out of only of the Google app, but my Google account will still remain on my iPhone. So if I choose to remove the Google account, it will be removed from my iPhone, but if I choose to log out, it will only be removed from my Google app and not from my iPhone itself. This is simply how you can go ahead and remove account from Google and iPhone. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.